and Evelyn reporting from Holiday Inn, M6 Junction 7. I think we're Junction 7. We're now walking to the car. We are comp ready. There we go. Lipstick, hair, BCA card in our uniforms because we have to meet in about, what's the time now? I can't see my Fitbit. We have to meet in just over half an hour. So, but we are ready. We're ready. Look at that glow. Although we're both sitting really funny, so I need to grip that up. But
it works.
It works. It's fine. I feel very sick. I ate way too much at breakfast. So, but we'll see you. Is it that way? Yeah.
Yeah.
When we get to the arena, and there's lots of other emeralds. We made it to the arena. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. How long do we go to warm-ups?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it?
How do I feel about the chair?
Like warm-ups.
Oh, I'm very excited.
Why? I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm very excited. So, I'm Emily. This is Chloe. This is Callie.
Callie's my flyer.
It's our contest.
It's contest nationals, guys. Evelyn is back. Hello. Ella, and this is Caitlin. Molly's here. Molly's always here. Molly's always here. And
I'm back again.
she's back again.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, this is Nicole.
Hey, I'm back.
Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. They had crazy juice for breakfast this morning. Oh, look at the height difference though. Literally, look at the height difference. I've never noticed that before, ever. What is this for? What? YouTube. Everyone's going on YouTube. Oh no! It's fine. It's fine.
I'm going to be saving it.
But we're going to get to warm up and have our first run.
Yeah.
Oh God, look at all of Molly's cards.
Bit of a glow up.
What the hell? What happened?
This one.
This one. No, that's just
Oh, baby Molly.
Do you want to see baby Katie? It's not even baby.
Oh wow.
It's a baby.
Mine is. Oh ho, that's so cute.
No.
Let's see the evolution of mine. Mine was a passport style one. And like that. Mine's passport. Oh my God.
Have you got any piercings or anything in?
No.
Make sure your piercings are all out.
Sherry's being part of the vlog.
Okay, so we've just come out. I don't know if anyone said, but we kind of hit our routine. We pretty much hit our routine.
Yeah, we've got a little bubble.
Yeah, a little tiny bubble. We're now heading
To the shopping mall.
to go shopping. So,
Justine left us with the camera.
so you'll get some content from us. So,
Yeah.
bye!
You'll have
This
to
is
video
David.
Oh, dudes!
We've just found him.
Cinema World is out
We're going in the water fountain now.
we'll go to the
Right,
water fountain.
here we go.
It's my mum. Hi. No. So we're now going into the shopping mall. I don't really know what we're doing. But Amanda, do you want to say hi?
Hello. Right, Justine, I just want to say sorry.
We are terrible vloggers.
Because you trusted us with your camera. I mean, we're looking after the camera. It's just.
Well, we thought we broke it.
No, we didn't. Anyway, no, we didn't. But yeah, our footage isn't very good. But we'll try our best just for you and this amazing vlog.
Yeah.
I'm now getting a smoothie. You're not getting a smoothie.
No.
So I'm getting a smoothie, and it's gonna be good. So
Right, so we are now in Marks and Spencer's, getting some food.
you have to hold it up here.
But she's got a smoothie. I think we've already said that. But yeah, we'll see you guys later.
So we're in Marks and Spencer's cafe right now.
Yeah.
What did you order?
Toasted.
Toasted. I ordered a jacket potato. Mum, what did you order?
Jacket potato.
and
then my mum ordered
a jacket potato
jacket
too.
potato.
So I'm sure they will be lovely, and we'll
get back to you.
Yep.
So we are now heading back.
As we just said.
Yeah, we said that earlier. And then we're probably going to touch up our makeup.
Watch out, there's a bug.
Or I'll touch up my makeup, and then
touch up my makeup.
we compete again.
For Legacy, and we're going to do really well, so yeah.
And then there's awards, and then we go home.
No, we don't.
We don't go home. We go back to our hotel, or for us too, we go back to our hotel. Yeah, our hotel is over there somewhere. So yeah, and then we're gonna go out for a meal, and then we'll be going.
Then we've got to do it all tomorrow again.
Yeah, it's very early, like 7:30. But we are now leaving again, so we will see you guys in a little while. So bye.
Bye. We are back at the arena.
Yeah.
We've probably got about 3 hours before we're gonna meet or something.
2 hours.
2 hours. So you can't see me. Hang on. And we'll give you back to Justine. So
Actually, the much better vlogger.
that's probably bye for us. Bye.
I hope everyone enjoyed that Katie and Emily takeover. I don't know what it's like, do we? We don't know what
We have no idea.
They're just funny. I just gave them the camera, which is well, who knows what the footage is even going to be like. It looks funny. We've competed once, getting ready to compete again, but we're going to do a photo shoot first because we love a photo shoot. So Hayden's got his new gadget. Look at Danny hiding. But yeah, there's Hayden and Steph and Taylor. Oh, Annie! She's back! Hello. At last, you're back.
Hope told me to come here, so
Good. Get your top on and we'll have some photos. Yay! Currently having a massive photo shoot, look. Steph, you're up.
we all got with each other now. Who hasn't got one here? I need one with Steph, and that's it.
And Hayden's just doing his thing.
Do anything else?
Eve, you're up. The three amigos in their natural habitat taking photos. The Emily and the Katie going to warm-ups, and the Hallie, not just any Hallie, and Evelyn now going to warm-ups for the second time of the day. The warm-ups is this way. We're going to warm-ups for a full body warm-up, and then it's compete round 2.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5.
we are back. We are now at a walk. Where's Justine? Do you want to hold the vlog? Do you want the vlog?
Should we pass them? Right, we're going to pass the vlog around.
You have to say hi to it.
Say your name as well.
Okay. Right, so this is Hope. Jodie. Hallie. Bethany. Lauren. David. Taylor. Leah. Molly. Liz. Hallie. Don't know if you saw any of that, but yeah.
Emily and Katie.
See, Hope, you do it on the floor. You're the same height, anyway. And Lily as well.
So guys, I am very sweaty. I just did dancing and I'm very sweaty. I'm so hot. Justine, you can have your vlog back now.
I can have my vlog back.
I know. I'm being so nice.
So nice. So polite. It's fine. It's still not over yet.
Taking third place in Sherwood 4.2. Essex starts contesting.
Oh my god! I can't see all of it. I just say, hey vlog, I'm back!
Taking second place in silver medals in Senior Level 4.2. East Coast